Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch using a pen. Start by gathering your essential tools for pen sketching. You'll need a good quality fine point pen, ideally with waterproof ink, which is crucial for adding layers or washes later without smudging. Pair this with smooth, durable paper, preferably weighing at least 100 grams per square meter to prevent bleed-through. Having the right materials sets a strong foundation for your creative process. Next, let's master some basic pen strokes. Practice hatching, which involves parallel lines, and cross-hatching, using intersecting lines to build up tone and shadow. Experiment with stippling, creating dots for texture. Vary your line pressure to achieve different line weights, from delicate to bold, adding depth and interest to your sketch. These techniques are fundamental for expressing form and texture. Now, let's focus on building form and value in your sketch. Begin by identifying your light source to understand where shadows will fall. Use your hatching and cross-hatching techniques to gradually build up darker values in the shadow areas, layering strokes to increase density. Remember to leave lighter areas untouched or with minimal lines to create contrast and give your sketch a three-dimensional quality. Finally, it's time to refine your sketch and add those crucial details. Go back over your work, adding finer lines for intricate textures and sharpening edges where needed. Step back to assess the overall composition and make any final adjustments to contrast or value. You might even consider adding a very light wash of watercolor or ink to enhance depth, bringing your pen sketch to a polished finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.